Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to change your club card number in the Tesco app, link a new card step by step. To change or update your club card number by linking a new card in the Tesco app, you need to navigate to your account settings or choose the option to merge existing numbers if you are replacing an old account. Step-by-step instructions to link an existing card. First, open the Tesco app. Ensure you are signed in with your regular login credentials. Next, access your account. Tap the person icon located in the top right corner of the home screen to open your account settings. Next, select registration options. If you are setting up a fresh account profile, select I already have a club card and I'd like to link my accounts. Now enter card information. Type in the club card number manually and match profile details. Provide your name and address exactly as they appear on your club card statement or registration history to complete the sync. Second, managing and viewing multiple club card numbers. Tap the person icon in the top right corner, select Club Card Management, then tap Club Cards on Account to view every active and legacy number currently mapped to you. What to do if you need to merge or replace a card, lost or damaged cards. If your club card number has changed because your previous card was misplaced, ordering a plastic replacement directly from the Tesco Help FAQs automatically maps the newly issued number straight to your online account profile. Merging two accounts. If you inadvertently created a completely separate account with a separate point balance, they cannot be manually combined within the app interface. You must visit the official Tesco contact page to request a manual account merge from the customer support. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.